I am Fatma Ahmadzai, working as lecturer botany at Government Girls Degree College, Quarry Road, Quetta. The course which I am teaching in this semester is cell biology, genetics and evolution. The topic which I am going to discuss today is test cross. We will discuss that what is a test cross. Cross fertilization of a phenotypically dominant individual with a homozygous recessive individual is called test cross. Mendel crossed a homozygous tall pea plant, this one, with a homozygous dwarf pea plant, this one, in P1 generation known as parental generation. After meiosis, gametes are produced. This capital T from here, this capital T from here, this small t from here, and this small t from here. Then the gametes were crossed, first one with first one with second one with first one, second one with second one. As a result of the offsprings produced in F1 generation or first filial generation were heterozygous tall. Then Mendel cross-fertilized a phenotypically dominant individual in which there are two alleles. One is the capital T, which represents the allele for tallness and is dominant, and the other small t is the allele for dwarfness and which is a recessive allele. So this is a phenotypically dominant individual in which the dominant allele capital T masks the effect of the recessive allele which is small t. The capital T represents for dominant allele and the small t represents for recessive allele. The capital T is for tallness and the small t is for dwarfness. So the capital T masks the effect of the small t and the individual is called phenotypically dominant individual which is tall. With a homozygous recessive individual in which both the alleles are recessive allele and they are the alleles of dwarfness. So Mendel cross-fertilized them. After meiosis, what are produced? Gametes are produced. So what are produced after meiosis? Gametes are produced. Then the gametes are crossed in the same manner, first one with first one with second one with first one, and second one with second one. The following offsprings were produced in F2 generation or second filial generation. They were heterozygous tall, homozygous dwarf and homozygous dwarf. The phenotype for test cross was 2:2. 2 are tall, 2 are dwarf. Then these are cancelled and become 1:1. The genotype was 2:2. 2 are heterozygous and 2 are homozygous. Again they are crossed, they become 1:1. So this is a test cross in which Mendel crossed a phenotypically dominant individual with a recessive individual. So, what is a phenotypically dominant individual? A phenotypically dominant individual is an individual in which one allele is dominant and the other allele is recessive, and the dominant allele masks the effect of the recessive allele.